What are my final thoughts to the world out there for people who are interested in taking up architecture or people who are in architecture? I think at the end of the day, the final thoughts would be love what you're doing. Architecture is a very difficult course. A lot of people think that all we do is draw. Yes, we do draw, but at the end of the day, this drawing is made from blood, it's made from the sweat, and it's made from endless nights of thinking how this drawing will eventually end up and become reality. Architecture requires a lot of passion. It requires a lot of understanding of the human behavior. It requires a lot of communication with people out there. It requires a lot of discussions with our clients so that at the end of the day, we come up with a viable solution for their particular problems. It requires a lot of communications and understanding as well from our suppliers, from our contractors, from our engineers, because they're coming from different parts of the world as well in terms of how their discipline works. At the end of the day, there is a need to be able to fall in love with a course that we fell in love with from the very beginning. Somewhere along the way, we may probably have fallen out of love, but as long as the spark of architecture keeps one's hope and interest alive, then there is hope for this particular course. There is still need for architects out there because we are the ones creating beautiful sceneries out there. Creating beautiful architecture results in creating beautiful buildings, results in very beautiful lifestyles. We need to bring that back. My final thoughts is that architecture is a romantic course. Definitely it's a romantic course, but it's also a very difficult course. But as long as the romance is there, like in any relationship, difficult as the road may be, as long as the spark of romance is alive, then it becomes a fruitful course. I am Architect Manuel Maximo Lopez del Castillo Noche, and I hope from this master's class you will be able to learn life lessons in how to run and how to become how to run an architectural office, how to become an employer, how to become a teacher, how to become a mentor, and simply how to become a good, decent human being who is willing to share their experiences to a broader audience, and that broader audience happens to be you. Come and join me as I show you this wonderful world of architecture. The world of architecture that you normally do not see. Only here at Avant-Garde Live.